This is my case study about missionaries and cannibals problem. The missionaries and cannibals is a problem classic AI puzzle that can be defined as follows. On one bank of river are three missionaries and three cannibals. There is one boat available that can hold up two people, and they would like to use cross the river. If the cannibals ever outnumbered the missionaries on either the river banks, the missionaries will get eaten. How can the boat be used to safely carry all missionaries and cannibals across the river? The initial state is shown in the right here, where the black triangle represents the missionaries and red triangle represents the cannibals. Searching for a solution. This problem can be solved by searching for a solution, which is a sequence of action that leads from the initial state to the goal state. The goal state is effectively a mirror image to the initial state. The complete search space is shown in the figure 1. In the figure 1 represents states transactions and labeled with actions. Example, two cannibals represents the actions of two cannibals crossing the river. The initial state is shown again on the left, whereas the goal state is all way to the right. The missionaries and the cannibals app Java application. The Missionaries and Cannibals app is a Java application that explores the above search space using a number of search strategies. Alternatively, run the command java jar missionaries and cannibals app that jar from the command line. Either should bring up a window that looks essentially like a shown in the figure 2. To search for a solution, first select a strategy. Next, there are some configuration options that search for the process. If the search space is to be searched as a graph, multiple paths leading to the same node will usually only be explored once. In a tree, search sets that can be reached in multiple plots will also explode multiple times. The number of states to be generated can be limited to the given value, resulting in the search being abandoned at the point. For a depth first search, it is also possible to set a depth limit, meaning no state at a greater depth will be explored. Finally, a trace of the search can be written as windows under a text file. The operations performed by a search engine consist of selecting a current search node and generating its successors. And the trace reflects this process. For example, the line current state 11 lesser than state L, 0 missionaries, 1 cannibals, or 3 missionaries, 2 cannibals be greater than indicates that the selected node contains the given state. The 11 is an example, is the unique identifier for the search node. Note that there may be a multiple nodes that contain same state, especially when the search tree search is performed. Then there is a description about the selected state which can be read as follows. On the left bank as L, there is no missionaries, 0 missionaries, and no one cannibal 1C. On the right bank there are 3 missionaries 3M, 2 cannibals 2C, and the boat B. Other states following the same pattern. The line following this one is the trace describe the successor state that have been generated. For example, successor state 12 lesser than state L, 0 missionaries, 2 cannibals, boat 3 missionaries, 1 cannibals greater than. Successor state 13 lesser state L, 1 missionaries, 1 cannibals, B minus or 2 missionaries, 2 cannibals greater than. So expanding the given search node, 11 resulted into the two search nodes 12 and 13. Even with the tracing of the window will display some information about the search. It will show how many states have been explored. The goal tested has performed and the successor have been generated and how many states have been generated explored states plus fringes nodes. If a solution is found that will be also printed. Finally, the elapsed time taken to perform the search is printed. Note that the writing trace usually takes more time than searching itself. That's all about my case study. Thank you.